My house was attacking me. Today was one of those days where, like, everything was going wrong. Everything. I realized I had been poisoned by my own dishwasher. I kept hitting my head. You can't see that on film, but I kept repeatedly hitting my head over and over again. My camera stopped filming like 3 or 4 times, and I didn't realize as I kept cleaning. I dropped a gallon of tea on the floor and it exploded everywhere, including under appliances. I tried to wash dishes that my husband had used to put smoked meat on, and then the dishwasher did not wash them, and then I drank out of a cup from the dishwasher and got really sick. I'm not making this stuff up. All while trying to film a Clean With Me video. So when I say this is the worst Clean With Me video of all time, it's true. I am the victim of my own home. My house was attacking me. Couldn't get that stupid sticker off. You know what I mean? Like the stickers. Like, okay, we're all sophisticated enough now in the world that we can make stickers that we put on products that just peel nicely off, but no. Today, I was stuck with the sticker that won't come off, and you have to scrape it with your nail. So at what point today did I just say, forget it? I'm not worrying about it today. There were so many points, like all joking aside, there were so many points where I was like, forget it, I'm just not gonna do this. I'll clean later, like, you know, the odds are against me. And I think sometimes there are times when you should just stop what you're doing and like collect yourself. Today I chose to work through it. I had the flowers, my flowers that I really wanted to put out, and I kind of made that a goal to help me get through frustrations of it's just been such a hard day. Do you ever just want to cry? Cleaning your house, like for some people, yeah, cleaning your house makes you just want to cry just thinking about it. But for those of us who like enjoy cleaning our house, today was just a day where it was not for me. It was not for me. So I say all of this as much as I'm joking. You know, I watch these cleaning videos, they motivate me, they inspire me, they give me ideas, they help me in my life. But this is not anybody's fault but my own. The perfectionist in me takes the opportunity to be inspired to clean your house as an opportunity to like find perfection. And sometimes it can get really frustrating because I want to clean every nook and every surface and every corner, and you know, it's just not possible. It's just not always possible, especially if you have little kids. And all of this today has just made me just really want to say, like, to any of you out there that are feeling like, why isn't my house as clean, or why don't I like cleaning as much, or it doesn't even have to be cleaning, it could just be projects, like you've got projects around your house or even at work that you just don't want to get to, or that you're frustrated with, or that you feel like you're not good enough to do it. That's stupid. Life's not about being perfect, and life's not about being ordinary either, but we aren't better because our house is cleaner, or we're not better because we do a better job. Those aren't the things that define us or fulfill us. They can make us happy, but it's always temporary. And then your house gets dirty again and you have to clean it again, and you know, it's a cycle and you're back at the beginning. And sometimes I can find myself trying to control or be fulfilled by my house being clean. And today it was just like, no, you're not gonna be. So my encouragement today and every day is it doesn't matter. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter. Yeah, it's great, and I love when my house smells good. I like when things are pretty and organized, but it doesn't matter. And I hope that you aren't feeling like a failure or less than because your house or any aspect of your life isn't like somebody else's or up to a standard that you have for yourself. Like, I just want to like set you guys free today, because I needed to be set free from the house that was attacking me, and maybe other things too. So if today you need to skip over the dust in the corner, or let the dishes go, or take a nap, oh my gosh, then do it. And don't feel guilty. Don't beat yourself up about it. Don't tell yourself, oh, if I was this, that, or the other thing, then I wouldn't need to take a break. I wouldn't need to cut myself some slack. Today's video could motivate you, or, well, I'll say this. Today's video could motivate you in two ways. It could motivate you to clean, or to do a project, or get something done in your house, or outside of your house, or on paper, whatever it is you need to do on the computer. Or it can motivate you to not do those things. You may choose whichever path you would like to take. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm enjoying making these videos. If you haven't already, will you please subscribe? Hit the notification bell that's next to the word subscribe, and you'll get notified every time I post a new video. I'll see you guys in my next video.